Corn dog community, I'm talking to you. When was the last time you had a really good corn dog, everyone? When was the last time that you had a corn dog that was crispy, that was golden brown, that when you bit into it, you had that hot exterior with that steamy sausage inside, or a hot dog inside, or whatever your preference of an East Coast, West Coast sausage, dog, wiener? When was the last time you had a great corn dog? I'm gonna leave you with that question because I got to thinking this weekend that, oh my God, I was about to say I don't remember the last time I had a good corn dog, but I actually do. I think it was like 15 years ago, and I have not had a good corn dog since. I was at Disneyland, and I paid, I think at that time, maybe $8, maybe $9 for that corn dog, and it was huge. And I remember being so golden brown, so crispy. It almost had a burnt crunch to it, which I freaking love. And I devoured that thing, and not right away, but it took a moment. And I haven't had a good one ever since. Now I'm thinking to myself, okay, I want to go for a really, really good corn dog, but I am not going to go to Disneyland right now. Prices, inflation is going up just to get that good corn dog. So I leave it all to you. If you have any recommendations, if you have a good corn dog recipe, if there's an air fryer recipe for a corn dog, or maybe there's a store-bought corn dog that you recommend that I can stick into the air fryer, which I have, please comment below. Let me know. I am in dire straits of a good corn dog. I am on an adventure seeking out a good corn dog. I am on a mission to find that good corn dog, everyone. And I have not had a good corn dog in over 15 years. So please, humor me, help me out here, and comment below. Let me know where I can get a good one, and I'll review it here on this channel. Bye.